Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another hair retouching video, and as you can see I just cut my hair again because you guys know I love this cut. And I was trying to let my hair grow, but I get bored too fast. I just can't do it. And I feel so like chic with this cut, you know? I just freaking love it. But as you can see, my hair is faded, like very, very bad. So we're going to be fixing that today. I'm also going to be bringing up my roots. Up here, they're pretty fine, but when I have this short of hair, I do want the red to come up a little higher. I'm just gonna leave about maybe a finger of root, centimeter, and then down here I have a lot more root because I leave the bottom part a lot darker, you know. So we're gonna bring that up a little bit today, and yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So I am gonna be lifting my hair today, so it is very dirty. Like, do you see all this shine? Oily hair, guys. So that's great because we're going to be using developer today to lift the hair. The product that I'm using is my handy dandy Loreal Haircolor highlights in the color Magenta. So today, to lift my roots, I'm going to be using 20 volume developer. To measure it out, I like to use my food scale, and I'll mix that together and be right back. And this is what you end up with right now. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair, brush it out. So now to apply it, I want to apply it just to the dark part of my hair. So my natural hair color, I'm going to try to do very little overlap into the existing red, just because then we're going to have like a band of really light color in between here. I will go back in later when I'm done with my roots, and then apply the color to this bottom part afterwards. So it's not too big of a deal, but you know. So I've applied the color to my roots. I'm going to let that process for about 10 minutes just because this part of my hair is so dark. I need to leave it a little bit of extra time so that it catches up to my ends of my hair. And then I'll be back and I'll show you what else I'm going to do to cover my ends. So I've let my roots process for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of the color that's left in my bowl to the ends of my hair. But I'm going to apply some protein color filler to the rest of it because since my ends have already been lifted, they are a little bit more porous than my roots are because my roots have never been colored before. It's virgin hair. It's not really as porous, so you don't need this initially. But I'm now going to add it into it. And guys, I know you guys always ask me like, oh, how much? I have no idea. I just add a couple squirts, feel it out, whatever feels right. You know what I mean? Oops. And the protein color filler is just going to fill in the porosity of your hair a little bit, and then hopefully the color will go on a little bit more, you know, evenly. I'm going to apply this mixture to the ends of my hair. So I'm going to start with the section that I started before, which is this front part. That way it sort of evens out, you know, the back has more time to process. And the way I'm going to apply it is just like I did before. I'm going to start on this side and start applying it from here to the ends of my hair. And I've covered my whole entire hair with some color, so I'm going to leave that processing for 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. Alright, so this is the final result, guys, of my hair color. Now, as you can see, I have very little root left, and it varies. Like in some places I have a little bit more, a little bit less, whatever. But this is essentially what I wanted. You see how it's like about a centimeter of root there? You can see that, hopefully, maybe half a centimeter. And yeah, alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up for more hair coloring videos, and also leave me a comment down below letting me know what other videos you guys would like to see. And with that, remember that wherever you go and whatever you do, always leave your mark.